Good morning. It's Monday, October the 5th, about 7:35, and it didn't rain much during the night and the water's gone down again. So the corner is cleared and the lake out there isn't nearly as big. We're going to go into town and see if we can find some patch stuff for the roof that you can put on when it's wet. Ronald told Larry about it. And I just want to go see the flooding if there is any. The little ditch is clear. There's no water running anywhere. Okay, the water here all by the door has gone down. It's all clear. Nothing running. So we're going to go see the sights. Our garbage is about overflowing, so we'll get rid of it. Here we are at Hardee's, our regular first stop. Well, one place where the water's up. This is where we usually come to eat our lunch when we get it to go and come sit by the car. Creek's really full. Down there, it's over the road. I don't know if you can see it. Oh, it's been up in the parking lot over at the shopping center. There.
See the road closed
yeah.
up down, the water all the way over.
This creek is right next to Hardee's where we had breakfast. Can't come to town without coming to Walmart. Lots of cones out here. Not sure what they're doing. Larry said they were going to put trees a long time ago, so I don't know what's going on. There's some standing water. Water all back in through there. Mostly it's just standing water. We didn't see any flooding other than the creek. There's the pond. That's as full as it'll be. Can't get any higher than that, hardly. Over the road, this is a little road near our house there by the church where we walk. And it's closed. And over there is debris in the road where it's run over the road. Yeah, just keeps running down through there and right on out over the road. And the road is closed. That's a dirt road too. And there's the church. This is what we got to patch the roof leak with. It says roof leak repair wet patch. And there's the same thing, it just has different labels. Roof patching going on. That's going to kill his back.
Bet I could come down faster than I went up.
I bet you could. Just hang on to it. There you go.
What do I do next?
Get hold of the ladder and swing your other leg around.
Fine.
Yeah. I think you finished your to-do list for today.
Oh, me.
I got my checkbook and savings account balance the first try, and that was an accomplishment because the credit card bill got split into two different parts, and that made it more difficult, but it came out right. Now he's out there trying to clean out the drainage ditch so the water will drain away better. I guess the county ditch is kind of clogged right there. So there's lots of pine straw and stuff in it. So he's thinking if he gets that cleared out, the water will drain away further. But so far it's not raining yet today. Now I gotta go fix some lunch. I made paninis for our lunch today. We hadn't had any for a long time. This is one of my favorite fall treats. I'm about ready to have that for dessert. This fly is about as big as that frog we had in the house yesterday. I think it's a fly. It's just sitting there. I don't know why it don't fly. There he flew. I guess the fly should fly. I showed you a fly, now I'll show you a worm. I'm just standing here looking out the window. He's right down there in the middle. I think he's eating the leaves on the azaleas. My mission, should I choose to accept it, is to take this bucket and crawl back all the way back down these boards here in the attic, all the way down to the back. And there's a bucket down there. It's got about third full of water, and bring that one back and leave the empty one. That way we'll be able to tell if the patch he put on the roof this morning is working. But between here and that bucket down there is a lot of insulation. I hate insulation. It's so sticky, it's itchy. Okay, I don't have much choice. I guess I'll accept. Okay, here I go. What you don't see is these boards right here, there's three of them. They're pretty sturdy. When we get down to the other end, there's not quite as wide. When we get down to the other end, it's not quite as wide, and they're not quite so sturdy. So here goes. Don't think I'm going to be able to film and do this at the same time. I mean, Larry would film me going all the way down through here, but I don't want to have a film of my back end going down. That would just be a little weird. This is hard on an old lady's knees. Here we go, loop-de-loo. Here we go, loop-de-lie. Here we go, loop-de-loo. On Saturday night. Ooh. So this board right here laying on top is stronger, but these over here are kind of flimsy. So these are flimsy, this is strong. So I'm going to try and stay on the stronger one. It's not fastened down. All the things we do for YouTube. Well, actually, I'd be doing this whether YouTube would have YouTube or not. Okay, here's the way back. There's the end of the board, so I'm here. This is the lid that that's the lid that see it's just a little narrow and how it overflowed yesterday. And there's the bucket I got to replace, and there's a second one we put there. Hopefully it's fixed now and won't be leaking anymore. There's the new bucket. Yeah, it looks like it's dried out, that board a little bit. Here's where it's coming in up. There's the fan. And I couldn't tell really where it was leaking at. But there somewhere. Because it's not, well, right there it's been running down. Down some. I don't know. I'll have to lay the camera down so I can get the water. Okay, there's the bucket of water that leaked. It's quite a bit. Sounds like it's got water in it. Oh dear, that one's got water in it. Hope I didn't spill any of it. That was empty when I put it there yesterday. You can see the water. So pour that water in the village. Put it back. There they are, ready to catch more water if we get more rain. And hopefully he got it patched. So I'm going to turn this off so I can crawl back with the water. Okay, I'm ready to head back. So I think the best thing to do is just push the bucket ahead of me all the way down through there on the boards and not fall through the ceiling. That's always a good plan. So see you in a few. I'm back with the bucket of water now, so don't have to go down through there again for a while, thank goodness. But I wanted to show you this handle right here. Larry put that handle in for me because when I got up the top of the stairs there was no handhold. And it was just kind of scary. So he put that handle there. It makes a really great handhold, and I can use it. Just hold on to it when I go down the stairs. And it's good until I get down to the regular handle on the stairs. Okay, time to take the water down. Larry wants to be prepared in case it turns cold. So we brought a little kindling in and the kettle to put firewood in. And we're putting wood in the fireplace. We got lots of pine cones and they make good kindling, and we got some kindling and then we got some wood. So when it's cold we just put a match in there, start getting warm. What are you talking about?
Put it where you show you putting the wood in there.
Oh.
Put it on the cart so you see you putting the wood in. I like the backside.
Larry brought in a basket of fat lighter. That's good for starting fires. Smells like turpentine and it comes out of the pine tree, I think.
Yeah, after the rest is rotten around it.
Okay, the rest of the pine rots and leaves that. It's really good for starting fires. Mrs. Supper got chuck roast. It's a shoulder chuck roast. Carrots, celery, potatoes, and onions. And Larry's having the same thing.
Just a little more.
Just a little more. The roast I had for supper was just a little tough, so what was left I put in and cooked another 25 minutes in the pressure pan. So now that drippings has got really good flavor.
Delicious.
The meat is still just a little tough, but it's the best I can get it.
Delicious, delicious.
Larry likes the taste of it now. It's almost 7 o'clock and it's 66 degrees out here. It feels a little chilly. And there's no sunset to watch. It's just gray clouds still, but no rain all day. So we've had a pretty good day. So good night. God bless.